My next commitment to all of you, I will make you experience Kailasa. The very light of Kailasa removes all the blind spots in the beings. Now I will complete the Vidyapada and Shiva Vidya Tattva and Shiva Tattva, both, and make you experience the 11th dimension. How many of you walked on fire and really helped you? It really helped. By the time next MSS, I'll finish all the legal paperwork properly. See, actually, there are organizations who are university campus in Mexico, they are doing firewalking. One guy is doing in Mexico and Canada is doing. People from US go and participate and come back. I found out how they are doing. He has an education institution in US and his extended campus is in Mexico and Canada. He is doing it there and legally it is allowed. So I am doing the same paperwork. So by the time next time, you will be able to do it legally without any difficulty, complication. And by the time we will also be a little more matured to have first aid if any of you need and all that. And that guy who came to do that lemon piercing, somebody standing next to me said, hey, do it very safely. He made a comment, means 25 years before I have done this to him. Because in the young age I used to go to the temple. There's a family deity temple where they do this every year. And he and his family used to do, his father. This guy was a small guy, small kid those days, but he will come and sit with the father and do all that. That village stability still surprises me. Now when you guys came, that person who played the Nadaswaram, his father only is playing for my father and mother's marriage. In the wedding photograph, I saw his father only is playing. And that light and sound, he is a Muslim person. His father's name is Shamim. My father and mother's, Bharat, that before marriage they do a procession. In that procession, I saw in that light sound system, his father's name is Shamim. Stability of that village, like for generations. And the chief priest, he was there in our ashram that day, whole day. For generations, they dedicate their life. Still in my family, at least one person per family will not go out of city and accept any job. They will stay in the city to maintain the temple, to take care of the temple responsibility. 16 communities have a responsibility in temple. All those communities, one person per family will not accept any job outside city, the outside village. They will stay in any one person in the family. They will not go out because the temple responsibility is not disturbed. They maintain the temple responsibility. Whole temple is volunteer run. And when I look back, it's a really overwhelming last 23 days. As far as the intensity of the program and power manifestation, this is the best. This is 100 times more than Sadashivoham. nothing like Mahasadashivoham. Especially the science of Aushadha has given a very big breakthrough. Understand? The intensity with which you are manifesting powers, I'll put the whole credit, I'll give the whole responsibility to the science of Aushadha and detoxification process. Especially detoxification using Aushadha. That has done a job. That has really cracked the code. And I will also continue to send some more Aushadha for you guys. And continue to have this continuous education classes and sessions for all the MSS participants. And it will all be absolutely free. This is part of the MSS program. It's like extension because, see, these 25 days I can only put a certain amount of energy and initiation into your system. You need to digest and manifest. Only then I can put more. Anyhow, I cannot have 3 months program. If I have, and I am also evolving the next level of Aushadha which you can take inside. But for that I need to go through all the medical trial and IMA approval, Indian Medical Association approval. I am working on all that. Maybe by Guru Purnima we will be ready with all that. That will give a next level breakthrough altogether. Anti-aging, Amritatva Aushadha, all that is going to be in that level because it needs to be taken in. Let me project this one. I'll just show you a simple video. How many of you saw that antimatter? I just shared in my Facebook page. I'll show you and then I'll talk to you guys about it. I want all of you to see again, especially these numbers, trillion, billion, zillion. Anand makes not come. of you understood this? How many of you teleported successfully? At least once, raise your hand. All of you already produced antimatter. Understand, only if the vibhuti here, bhasma here becomes antimatter, it can travel and settle down in any place and become matter. Listen, I'll project now. This other side is just antimatter. How many of you are catching? The other side of all the heads. Avyakta. Understand? Now I have given one side. The other side is avyakta. Avyakta means antimatter, unmanifest, which exists but does not have any of the positive perceptive qualities of this vyakta. Listen, vyakta means which exists and can be perceived with a positive definition. With the positive definitiveness which you can perceive is manifest, vyakta. I know, many are thinking, anyhow, vyakta itself I have not understood, forget about avyakta. What we call parallel universe, unmanifest, avyakta, the delusion component of Mahadeva, Throbhava, cannot be exactly translated as delusion. It should only be translated as ununderstandable, ununderstood, or unknown. Throbhava is not, the precise word is not delusion. Precise word is unknown. Some people have put Facebook comments I saw. We want some more casual session with Swamiji. Mahasadashivoham is not casual, understand? Here we just need to do the job. Yes, please listen. The various permutation combinations of the 5 units, 5 unit principles is length, breadth, depth, time, space. 5 tattva, principal tattvas. The various permutation combination of these 5 principles forms 11 dimensions. Now no games, but only just note down this column. Just for all of you to understand, then I'll explain the various lokas. Length, breadth, depth. These 3 dimensions operate in Bhu. Breath, just pen down this whole thing. The pure space where all other things merge into the space is Kailasa. The 14 lokas, Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Bhatala, Bhur, Bhuva, Suva, Tapas, Satya. All those 14 lokas come under these 11 dimensions. Understand this 11 dimension, then I'll initiate all of you. Not just educating, I'll initiate also. Just I need to change the fuel in your body. The fuel with which you are functioning now needs to be changed. I'm going to initiate all of you. This process is such automatically your eyes will be closed, but I don't want you to sleep. Can you all pick up your cup of coffee and then settle down? You will not go out. No going out. Because, see, you will automatically have your eyes pulled by the third eye during the initiation, but I don't want you to sleep. I'll also teach you guys to teleport and materialize antimatter. See, all teleportation has to happen only through the antimatter. Vibhuti has to become antimatter, only then it has to become a Vibhuti again. So if I just ask you guys to stop in between, that's all, you have antimatter and billions of dollars.